Hello, Doc. Naku, 10 minutes na lang, Doc. Sorry, no?
Late, ha? Late, ha?
I know. It's not nice to be late.
Oh, no.
OMG. Doc, I'll give you a little bunny. I know malayo siya sa mga Hermes bags.
I wear it.
Dr. Abby Cudero, most beautiful doctor in the world. Hi, Doc. How are you? Okay na ako, Doc. Dahil sa'yo, Doc. Dahil sa Velo. Dahil sa Trinoma. Dahil sa Velo, Doc.
Can you guess where I am? It's showtime!
Yes, Doc. Let's go. Doc.
Ano, sabihin mo.
Diba, Doc, nag-favor ako sa'yo sa kasal ni Ate Ann. Sabi ko, Doc, gawin mo paraan para makaroon naman ako ng love life. Sige, Ryan. Tapos dahil sa Dr. Abby Cudero, nakaroon ako ng girlfriend.
Okay.
Tapos ngayon, engaged na ako, fiancé na ako.
Wala pa rin
Lalaki, wala pa.
lang ako in-introduce sa girlfriend.
Doc, pagkilala ko sa'yo. Pilipina. Thank you so much. I love Dr. Abby Cudero. Ay, talagang dito pala. Yeah, of course. Doc, that's good. Doc, thank you so much, Doc. Ay, Isabel. Touch.
Kaya palang dami tao rito.
Like that.
Hindi ako marunong. Hino na? O sige nga, pa-show. No, thank you. Oh, this one. Tapos touch. Hindi rin. She's very smart. We are making kapitbahay here. I used to come here a lot before pandemic, pero I haven't been here since 2019. So, it's so good to be here. I love ABS. Happy birthday!
How are you?
Good. I'm here to watch you. Touch.
Oh, yeah.
Hello!
Oh my God, sexy naman. Hi,
How are you? Hi, you have a meal already here?
No.
At chismis. So look at Karel. Come, no.
I went to Singapore.
Yes, she saw my son.
And your grandson.
And my cutie grandson.
And
Hindi know
Bianca.
why Karel, before when I met her, her dresses were up to here. But then one day, Lucy Gomez in front of me said, or I told you, right? She goes, the Karel's legs are so beautiful. Why is she always hiding it?
I know, pinakita
Kaya
ko.
ngayon,
Pinagsabihan
ayan.
niya ako sa TV.
Kaya ngayon.
Hello, Doc. Naku, 10 minutes na lang, Doc. Sorry, no?
Late, ha? Late, ha?
I know. It's not nice to be late.
Oh, no.
OMG. Doc, I'll give you a little bunny. I know malayo siya sa mga Hermes bags.
I wear it, ha? Kami inspired.
Oh my God, I'll send.
Very cute. How are you doing with this?
Okay naman ako. Yes, Doc. Baka gusto mo ng mga gift items. Nagbili tayo si Doc Bella. Gift items for your staff or something.
Talagang ano to, enterprise. Ilan bang negosyo mo? Marami.
Isa lang, Doc.
That's it? Okay, I'll see you later. Magbati ka. Thank you. Always making
Of
bati.
course,